Carbing Long Autonomous Council pen Hamren constituency along Kaching Thora Moketing. Asa manpeng guardo jagdis mo ki Carbing Long ke bang hot kopi lo kaning jetikan. Nagaland long metan ke jora saing tonti pulote Carbing Long pen metan ki virche angri. Cardom aprang sikadogo e pantami adap ke mea cardom pajerdo. Non morning news along penili thare chisong teron non bertang ton pen arjui thang. West Carbing Long Hamren constituency along ta arkoi crazy arni Kaching Thora mo Carbing Long Autonomous Council pending si kachelar mate parivartan atawar thopon pusikat news long berta nangle. Team Carbing Long pen arkoi ni pai crazy arni West Carbing Long Hamren constituency pinangana dim long Kaching Thora mo deng si parivartan pangcheng Team Carbing Long atum pen menukur pen rong hang rong bong atawar nongkrong arong along HP Marti Calvart Porbot along Rongke Rathan Nokterang Nipali Bosti atowar Rongpara Rongpen Siriculture atowar Umtiria Roy Pen Ambinong Poka atowar Ambinong Roy attack hanging bridge kasalam Japan Long is Sompardun Hamren Girls Hostel along Kuti Sira Suritroxi Kep Societang Kapen Kikim Girls Hostel ta Team Carbing Long atumpen ing Pupontu Ang ton Kaching Thora jay Meglong CM Tuliram Rong Hang Chairman Horen Singh B MLA Monsing Rong P EM Lapen MEC atum chitong dot renti Asa manpeng Governor Jagdish Mukhi lapen alang ni Chor Prem Mukhi arkoi Sir Keparni Carbing Long alok nang pali alang ni tum ajudi pu circuit house along Boha Dosi puthoda dap Carbing Long alam abirta kelong Japan kengkam chijor thu Carbing Long along kevangcheng Assam manpeng Governor Jagdish Mukhi lapen District Administration Saipumar Carbing Long Autonomous Council lapen hampang songbong chingki chatan therapy kopia lamlo alang li kaning jetikan alang li Carbing Long along ason alam lin et api perang kya mai long kaning jetikan alam ke lapuhen lo det pi Kaching Thora mo along pamudunji pulote Kaching Thora mo along chingbe du nangji barpi barsu ka chitia hem kai ki internet nangji det pia sarkar penta laso apan RD ke pi pathe ponlo Carbing Long along ke doan a sarkar asai hem chiklo jonwang kecheng siaroi lakha trok siar ni kepang thera mo deng nangji Carbing Long along Swachh Bharat Mission asai ke claim clear puthak ke palangchari Japan Deputy Commissioner Adir Khan Phansi manpeng Governor pen arpu ke pegalamta alang li pachetak pon Behadu ke claim abang phubang phiatum nonateng Nagaland along Mithan Jordan Bombulote Carbing Long pen Mithan Kivirji chingkrak daklo Nagaland along Jongsi Mithan Jordan Bompulote Carbing Long along Mithan Ejon Tavideji Lake Teklora Lamlo Behadu ke claim abang pubang piatum Carbing Long atowar Bithe bitha ke joy rock raka Mithan Dimapur along ke Jordan Kangton Tejok non ke towar hiti lapen rongar lota Mithan Teklongo ilo Aprang ke Carbing Long along ke pangreng Mithan pen amparata ke lupuna Mithan doo Bonta pini arni Carbing Long along akele Mithan biha ke claim abang pubang piatum kijum podajok Mithan virang rang ason si teklong Gari ke ding mate train lapen bus he hui pen Dimapur Mithan ke jor Damatumapan kamke do na bangawe pulote Carbing Long along ing ugbak Mithan ta avideji Arnivang John Paro Nagaland along Mithan ke jor asai kapang ton Japan hampang song lapen lo charlia song atum hammer lo pen hong nang bar pi pulote Carbing Long along Mithan Teklong lelo Carbing Long along hidia Mithan mati hijaya se Karjulong le ason po Normalam so por pandhiana parman birta mington ponik senen
Siraknon, Birta Kamay Nanglipan. State Bank of India is organizing a combined mega camp on 8, 9 and 10th of January 2018 at SBI Difu branch, Lamding Road. Up to 50% discount long po. Loan kachitu une atubapan. Labangso awarsai Kamay endonon. Lapen bank loan chipi une pen chapachok dunon.
और अभी एक और भूकंप 7.4 की तीव्रता का।
Wait lagi. Ahiring tangrak anlo. Ong dunga tuma pran kidam ta du uta haipo.
Nonjong itong geham bich kimchi phansi ji tham bom lo. Nongi pray to duk lo.
Nilita hem gimi kim bom lo. Sita lahaya laben asapta nili mathathe. Athema nili hemalon extra kipidundo. Athe nili hem gi kimalonge Tata Tiscon SD bar pensi kimpon lo.
Tata Tiscon SD Extra Safe Bar lagi texture a technical atum pensi Mesena Factory along Selampon lo. Lasi Tata Tiscon SD Bar ke kaita extra safe lo.
Have one bite of sweetness in your little and great celebration and occasion. Taste it today at Ashoka Sweets, the Soy Building, MG Road, Difu Market. Aturkimi Academy, Rukasen, Amlapati, Difu 782460, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admission open, Montessori up to class 9. Issue of prospectus and admission form from 1st of December 2017. Facilities like Boys and Girls Hostel, audio-visual teaching aid with projector, Smart Class, Next Education Inter Private Limited, arts and dance classes, etc. Montessori classes will start from 1st week of January 2018. For admission details, please contact 03671 273084 or 7896 971 592 or 8724068454 or 8472091283. Holy Child Academy, Lurulangso, Difu Karbianglong. New admission starts from 15th of December 2017 for the class of playgroup to class 5. The new classes will start from 8th of January 2018. The academy provides many facilities such as computer education, secure environment, music and dance class, art and painting class, playroom, audio-visual room, school tuition, daycare, school tiffin, smart class, child development center, etc. Parents and guardians are requested to collect the admission form from the principal office at office hours. For more details, please contact at 9854 143 772 or you can also contact at 03 671 27900. Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesiri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kejun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecu ajam tu tharmit aduk thelua kreng chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihinamo pipothot birtalong wangtulum. United Student Union of Karbianglong tiri pilapen diporo amayatum cherapsi pini arkoini pai crazy arni social welfare site kamalong home for destitute and vagrant along kiduk det mate ostumar jangre ngatumapan kirap kapajurdan. Dipu Social Welfare say kamalong home for destitute and vagrant along kiduk det jangreng also mar tumapan arkorni pai crazy arni pikar omkeron sai padu lapen kinamtang arkoini pai kep aning veajo por pai sur kepapor railway station along ahemarit kawe tumapan setami kirapajur dam amparta burakram sarong along arta keong mate akisar tumapanta kerap pajordam pusi pachini kerap kapajara sai kepadu ponahot dipo in charge GRP OP Abdul Rejak lapen usuka tiripia maipen maipu bidison teron konchun bang jitu hajarika pen rap konchun bang Raju Terang Dunmaipu Biju Sarma Lapen Dipu Usuka Roa Maipen Maipu Bidon Kramsa Chunbang Marsoning Tipen Chenglok Klembang Potum Chetong Dun Rinti Pusi Pachini Borpathar Police Station and Kang Bogojan Forest Range ke parlo sapapani bit arlo rongagora hawarlong ingnaming nar kitun kedang hem kipri lapen sok puru tongdam raipen sok kecho abirta katnyu sasai hemlong nangle Borpathar Police Station and Kang Bogojan Forest Range ke parlo sapapani bit arlo rongagora NH 39 atwar piadung Samson Singh TME School long kitun kedang hem mati kitchen room arkoi ni pai kevaning ve por pai crazy por malom ingnaming nar ketong dampen kitchen room ar hemso kipridam lasona taxi silunijan range along MR ke claim dun ronga gora katimonga rong along babu ingti hemalong ta ajo porpai sur kebra chitima pormalom sok puru tongdam raipen muniar keba sok unan chupiti kang pusi pachini Pini morning news sabang kelapan si kang tonik lo laing bom the cardios channel domi thak me korang tu